Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Farah and I just wanted to make this video quick today and just check in with everybody and let you guys know what is going on. I haven't made a video for a while. It's been a couple of weeks and it's just one of those things, like if you get out of the practice of recording regularly, then you just kind of get out of it. And it was Christmas time and holidays, so I just took a step back and just chilled out with my family and took the break that I needed to just get my energy back and start doing this again, because content creation is quite energy consuming, believe it or not. So I hope you guys are having a great 2024. We are almost at the end of the first month, that is the January. And so I hope you all have recuperated as well. I just wanted to update you guys a little bit about the business and what's happening with the channel. I have lots of exciting things planned for the channel. I am actually in the process of recording a few videos, batch recording, and I just thought, okay, let me just get this out there. There are lots of changes happening in my business, in my life, and on the channel. So one of the changes in my life is we have another addition in our family on the way, and that's why I've been a bit laid back on the channel. The content is a little irregular, not consistent, as some of you who are with families and our parents might resonate with. So this is what's happening. And so I'm very excited. Spring 2024 is when I'm expecting my number 3 to join us, and inshallah, hopefully everything goes well. I would be taking a little bit of a break, but that's why I am batch recording some content for you guys so you can enjoy it. And another thing that I have managed finally, after months and almost years of self-doubt and delay, is actually record my official Amazon FBA training to build a private label on Amazon using my method, which I've been holding back on for so many months, just because I wanted to get it perfect. I wanted to know everything, even though I've been doing this for over a decade. But because Amazon platform is so dynamic and they challenge you and they compete with sellers, there's always stuff that I don't know, and there's always stuff that is going to be new. But I had to challenge myself, and the arrival of the baby kind of gave me that sort of a cut-off time that I can't put this off anymore. So that would be coming soon to the channel, and actually the link for the training is in the description below if you guys want to go and check it out. It's packed full of value and full of information. It's about a 45-minute training that I have recorded just recently for you guys, and I am very proud that I have been able to finish it and build the system to put it out there. So very proud of myself to be able to do that. And so please do check it out when you get time, and I hope you enjoy it. And let me know in the comments below if you guys have watched it, if you have any more questions, what do you guys think. I would love to hear your feedback. But yeah, this is a bit of an unscripted life update, business update that I wanted to give you guys. That's what's happening, and that's what I've been working on behind the scenes, and that's why you haven't seen like regular content from me since I posted about the Amazon conference in New York and stuff like that, which was also like a great experience for me, as I have built my knowledge around advertising and built my systems around tackling the advertising performance for my own business. This is what I worked last whole year. That was just my focus, to get it right and build a system that will allow me to pull back when I need to and increase the spend when I need to, and actually be able to pinpoint where and how it's affecting my bottom line, my profitability. Because one thing as Amazon sellers, even if you're experienced or you're new, you have to realize that ad cost doesn't remain the same throughout the year. It's different every month. It's different throughout the seasons. When you're in high season, you will experience better ACoS, lower ACoS, better ROAS. And similarly, if you are in low season for your products, for example, toys in January, no matter how much money you spend on this, your ACoS is going to be very high. Your bids, it doesn't matter how much you spend on it, you won't be able to sell as much. And that's just how the business works. So you have to be able to adjust based on performance. And so very excited to share all of that with you in the new training, and in the content that's coming up. And I'm filming and recording to plan my mat leave. So I just wanted to jump on here really quick and update you guys. And I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.